everyone, it's Laura here from makingcardsthesun.com and welcome to another card making video tutorial here at the Tonic Studios blog and YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do some tone-on-tone ink blending using Tonic Nuvo hybrid inks. So let's get started. I'm starting out with a piece of Craft Perfect Ultra Smooth white cardstock from Tonic Studios, and I cut that to 5 3/4 inch by 4.5, and I used some washi tape to hold my paper down while I am ink blending. To do this tone-on-tone ink blending, you need to start out with a solid color first. I'm using the Lime Burst ink from the Tropical Fruits Hybrid Ink Pad set from Tonic Studios. Next, I'm going to use this stencil from Tonic. This one is called the Twisting Circle Stencil. And I am using some washi tape to hold down my stencil while I am applying the color. As you can see, I am using this same ink pad. I'm just going to apply it a little bit heavier by using some more pressure on my ink blender, and then you will be left with a really cool tone-on-tone look. You could do this with any ink pad with any color you like. Think of all the cool possibilities. You could even use different stencils. Just have fun and play around with it a little bit, and then you'll be left with some really gorgeous and fun results. I trimmed down this finished paper to 4 inch by 5.25 inch. I'm using my Holtz Guillotine trimmer to cut that down. Next, I am positioning some of the stamps from the Sammy Takes It Easy stamp set from Tonic Studios on some Craft Perfect Ultra Smooth cards using my Holtz stamping platform. I like to use my stamping platform to stamp all of these images at once, and this way I can save some time. I'm inking up my stamps with a alcohol marker friendly ink pad, and then I'm going to start coloring these images using the Nouveau alcohol markers. For the shades of green, I am using the Woodland greens marker set, and then I always like to use the 3 colors that come with each pack. I start out with my darkest shade, then I move on to the mid-tone shade, and then finally I use the lightest color to blend that all out and to add some highlights. For the yellow flower, I am using the Sunshine Yellow markers, and then for my pink flower over here, I am using the Rosy Pinks markers. So there you go. I colored the adorable sloth using some brown alcohol markers, and after coloring all of these images, it's time to die cut them using the coordinating dies. I like these dies because it's really quick and easy to cut these images out all at once. Now that I have my images ready and my background ready, I am good to go. I'm going to finish off this card. I'm adhering all of my elements using some foam squares and also my favorite Tonic Studios Nuvo Smooth Precision Adhesive pen. This is really great to adhere teeny tiny images or delicate images like these leaves. I decided I wanted my card to say, "Time to chill, you deserve it." So I stamped my black sentiment using black ink, and then I'm going to do some heat embossing to stamp the second part. Before I stamp my sentiment with my sticky pad, I'm going to prep this cardstock with some kitchen flour and a little brush. I like to do this to remove any static cling and to make sure that your embossing powder won't stick everywhere. I'm stamping my sentiment using a sticky ink pad, then I am sprinkling on some super fine white embossing powder. I'm tapping off the excess, and then I am using my heat tool to heat set this powder until it's completely melted. So I trimmed that down a little bit, and then I'm adhering my sentiment banner to my finished card piece using the Tonic Studios Smooth Precision glue pen. I like to use tweezers to position it perfectly. It's also a little bit easier, especially for these tiny little details. I'm using a tape runner to adhere my finished card piece to a standard size A2 American note card. So this measures 4 1/4 of an inch by 5 1/2. Finally, I am adding some sparkle using a glitter gloss Aqua Flow pen from Nuvo. I'm also applying a coat of Tonic Nouveau crystal glaze for extra dimension and shine. I like to do this to finish off my cards just because it adds a little bit of an extra glossy touch to your projects. Finally, I'm using the Tonic Nouveau Yellow Birds glitter drops, just a few drops here and there to really finish off this card. So there you go. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe for more inspiration, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.